Ever wondered what makes some people effortlessly confident in social situations? Well, unlocking unshakable confidence is just a few tips away. Join us to discover the transformative power of these 5 simple tips and step into a realm of unwavering self-assurance. We will provide practical and relatable examples to make it easy for you to resonate and enhance your social skills. Let's dive in. Number 1. Body language. Imagine walking into a party or a meeting. Standing tall and straight gives off an impression of confidence and openness. When you make eye contact, it shows you're engaged and approachable. Offering a firm handshake is like saying, "Nice to meet you." On the flip side, crossing your arms might make you seem distant or uninterested. Picture meeting someone new. If you present yourself with a friendly posture, it sets a positive tone for the interaction. So, in social situations, these simple actions can significantly influence how others perceive you. Don't forget to smash the subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment subscribe in the comment section for a special welcome.
Next, positive self-talk. Positive self-talk involves changing negative thoughts into encouraging ones. For instance, if you're facing a challenge of talking to someone, instead of thinking, "I can't do this," tell yourself, "I've overcome tough situations in the past. I can handle this too." Recall a specific work challenge you triumphed over, maybe a tight deadline or a complex project.
Reminding yourself of past successes reinforces your belief in your abilities, boosting confidence for the current situation. This shift in mindset can empower you to approach challenges with a more optimistic and capable outlook.
Next, preparation. Imagine you're going to a social event, and conversations might revolve around current events. Being prepared means staying updated on various topics, like news or what's happening in popular culture. For instance, knowing about recent news stories, a new movie, or a trending book gives you conversation starters. Let's say people are discussing a recent sports event. If you're informed, you can join in, contributing your thoughts. This preparation not only makes you feel more confident but also helps you engage in meaningful conversations, connecting with others at the event. Next, set realistic expectations. Picture yourself at a party, anxious about saying the wrong thing. Instead of expecting flawless interactions, acknowledge that nobody's perfect. If you stumble over words or make a small mistake, see it as a learning opportunity. For instance, maybe you recall a time when you misinterpreted a colleague's comment, but that misunderstanding taught you the importance of clarifying information. Embracing imperfections and reflecting on past experiences where discomfort paved the way for personal growth helps shift your mindset, making social situations less daunting. Lastly, step out of your comfort zone. If public speaking makes you uneasy, begin by expressing your thoughts in a small, familiar group of friends or colleagues. Consider joining a local club or workshop where discussions are more intimate. As you become comfortable, challenge yourself to speak to larger audiences. For instance, if you initially share ideas with 5 people, aim to expand to 10. Each step, no matter how small, provides valuable experience and gradually boosts your confidence in addressing larger groups. Over time, these incremental advancements help you develop greater ease and assurance in public speaking. As a wrap, embrace these 5 essential tips for cultivating confidence in any social setting. Integrate them into your daily routine to witness a transformative impact on your social life. We leave with our expert advice on building instant rapport with others through 5 easy strategies. Click the link above and elevate your interpersonal skills. Until next time, keep winning.